Back here on Miss Monique, we are going to charge her AC system. R12, of course. Yeah, she actually had a little pressure in her the other day when I was checking for leaks, so that was promising. Probably just been sitting for years without anything, or hardly anything, so I'm gonna give her a shot. Well, our system is sealed. That's the good news. Bad news is we have no pressure. Compressor is doing zero. Nothing. So we need to rebuild this compressor, because if it had a blockage, you would see extremities here. Now this 100 psi is just from cracking the bottle and trying to fill her up. So seeing we aren't even getting that psi on the high side, our compressor is not compressing. Of course, our expansion valve isn't going to open because it has no pressure on the other side. Ay, 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 ay.